find. So class, today I am telling about how to draw knockout tournament fixture. Okay class. So basically knockout tournament is the most popular and most easy way to conducting any tournament, because of this type of tournaments taking short times and less money to expenses and extra types of benefits. And in this tournament, if one team will lose, they are definitely out of the tournaments. Okay class, so this is the knockout tournament. Now I am telling about the how to do a knockout tournament fixture. Okay class, so there is a one question: draw a fixture of 11 teams on knockout base. Okay, in exam these types of question will coming to in exam. Okay, so the question is draw a fixture of 11 teams on knockout base. Okay, so basically we calculating the all formulas and all the how to drawing. The first is upper half, lower half, and how to giving a buy in this knockout tournament. So I am telling out step by step. Okay, so first step is number one is total number of teams. Okay, so this is the first step. So how many teams are participating? 11. Okay, so there is 11 teams are participating. Okay class. So number second is, second point is number of team in upper half. Okay, so in number of team upper half we calculating the using the formulas. Okay, formula. So the formula is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so number of team in upper half निकालने के लिए बेसिकली जो फॉर्मूला है n plus 1 upon 2. Okay class, so n is a number of team representing. Okay, so number of team is 11 plus 1 upon 2. इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, सो 12 अपॉन 2 डिवाइडेड हो गया. ओके, सो 6. ओके, so number of team in upper half, 6 teams in upper half. Okay, same ऐसे ही third step, number of team in lower half. Okay, so in number of team in lower half there is another formula we will use it. Okay, so formula is n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, in upper half and formula is n plus 1. Okay, and in lower half formula is n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so 11 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 2 divided by 5. Okay, 5. Okay class, so in upper half there is a 16, in lower half there is a 5 teams. Okay, so total number of teams how much? 11. Okay, so class, the next number, so next point is total number of buys. Okay, so total number of buys we can look in the like this. So first we know about how many teams are participating. Okay, then we calculating the using the 2 की power. Okay, so next highest number of power of 2. Okay, so we can see 11, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 into 4, 4 into 2 16. Okay, so next highest number of power of 2 is 16. So we 16 minus, we doing 16 minus 11. Okay class, 16 minus 11 equal to 5. Okay, 16 minus 11 is 5. Okay, so total number of bytes is 5. Okay class, so now we divided the all 5 bytes in upper half or lower half. Okay class, so there is another formula, but step 5 is number of bytes in upper half. Okay class, number of bytes in upper half. So now we knowing the how many bytes in upper half. So there is a formula. So formula is NB minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so the formula is calculating the number of bytes in upper half is a NB. NB means number of bytes. Okay, and the symbol of this minus 1 upon 2. Okay class, so total number of bytes are how many? 5. So 5 minus 1 upon 2 will be 4 upon 2 is divided. Okay, so 2. Okay, so the number of bytes in upper half, there is a 2 bytes. Okay class, so point number 6 is number of bytes in lower half. Okay class, so number of bytes in lower half, there is another formula. The formula is NB plus 1 upon 2. Okay class, so in lower half total number of bytes is NB plus 1 in upper half total number of bytes in formula is NB minus. Okay, आपको इस चीज का ध्यान रखना होगा कि कौन से में फॉर्मूले में माइनस है, माइनस प्लस का ध्यान रखना होगा. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी बाइट्स? 5 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 divided to 3. Okay class, so in lower half total number of bytes is 3 or in upper half total number of bytes is 2. Okay class, so now our next point is total number of rounds. Okay, okay class, so total number of rounds of the computing like this. You can see how many we are using the of 2 की power. Okay, so how many 2s are there? Okay, so is a 1, is a 2, is 3 and is a 4. Okay, so we are using 4 2s. Okay, so basically these 4 2s are number of rounds. Okay, so there is a 4 rounds. Total number of rounds is 4. Our next step is number of matches. Okay, so number of matches are formula n minus 1. Basically जो number of matches निकालने का formula है n minus 1. So n is representing to number of teams. Okay, so how many teams are participating? 11. Okay, so 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so number of matches is 10. Okay class. Okay, so again I repeat this all steps. Okay, so number is one step is number of teams. Okay, so number of teams in this picture 11. Okay, so second step is number of team in upper half. Okay, so number of team in upper half is formula n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, what is the formula is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay class, so we calculate this number of, so n is basically representing to number of teams. So number of team is 11 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so number of team is upper half 6. Okay class, so step number 3 is number of team in lower half. Okay, so the formula is n minus 1. Okay, in lower half the formula is we will be using n minus 1 upon 2. Okay class, and the upper half the formula we will be using n plus 1 upon 2. Okay class, so n is the number of team, so 11 minus 1 upon 2 is in lower half total number of team is 5. Okay, okay class, so number 4 step is total number of bytes. Okay, so basically we can how to calculating in bytes. So basically we are using the next highest, we are using the power of 2's. Okay, so the number of okay class, so how many we are using the power of 2's. Okay, so writing this. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into t. Okay, so basically the highest number of power 2 is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Okay class, so the next highest number of total number of teams is 16. Okay, so 16 minus 11, so total number of bytes is 5. Okay class, okay class, so number 4 establish total number of bytes. Okay, so how we know about how many bytes we giving in this picture. Okay, so basically we calculating the next highest number of power of 2. Okay, so we basically different between the total number of teams and the next highest number of power of 2. Okay class, so basically we using 4 powers of 2. Okay, so 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Okay, so next highest number is 16. Okay, so 11 से बड़ा क्या आ रहा है हमारे पास, next power of 2 की में is 16. Okay, so 16 minus 11, so there is a total number of bytes is 5. Okay class, okay, so number 5 is number of bytes in upper half. Okay, so formula is nb minus 1 upon 2. Okay, nb means number of bytes minus 1 upon 2. Okay class, so in the upper half total number of bytes is 2. Okay, class, our number 6 step is number of bytes in lower half. Okay, so in lower half there is a formula is nb plus 1 upon 2. Okay, what is the formula in lower half? nb plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so nb is the number of bytes plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so in lower half total number of bytes is 3. Okay, so number 7 step is total number of rounds. Okay class, so there is a total number round is 4, and how they are come. Okay, so basically we see we are using 4 powers of 2. Okay, so basically how many powers of 2 are we are using? This is the total number of rounds. Okay, so there is we are using 4 powers of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so total number of rounds is 4. Okay class, so next last step is 8 is number of matches. Okay, so number of matches is formula जो है आपका n minus 1. So n is a number of team, so total number of team is 11. So 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so total number of matches are 10. Okay, class. Okay, class. So now I am telling you how to draw a fixture and how to giving a by and how to divide it in lower half and upper half. Okay, class. Okay, class. So now I am telling about how to drawing a fixture in knockout tournament. Okay, class. So first we doing write the all numbers of team. Okay, so how many numbers of team? 11. Okay, so first we write the teams. Okay, then we write the rounds. Okay, round 1, round second, round third, and round 4. Okay, so in this picture there are 4 rounds. Okay, so first we write the number of teams. Okay, so how many teams are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, class. So second we divided in this whole team upper half and lower half. Okay, class. So in upper half total number of team are 6. Okay. So in 6 numbers we divided to in upper half, lower half. So just we draw a dotted line or any single line. So to upper half and lower half. Okay, class. We divided all the teams and upper half and lower half. So in upper half we can divide in formulas. In upper half total number of team is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And lower half total number of team is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, class. So this is the way to divide this all teams are upper half, lower half. Okay, so now we giving a buys. Okay, so number 1 buy we giving a in lower half last teams. Okay, first buy we giving a in lower half the last number of teams. Okay, so we showing this type. By 1. In fixture draw we showing this type of we giving a by. So by 1. And second by we giving a in upper half first number of team. Okay. So by 2. Okay, class. So first by we giving in lower half last number of team and second by we giving in upper half first number of team. Okay, class. Then third number by is we giving in lower half first number of team. In lower half first number of team. Okay, so in lower half first number team number is 7. So we giving number by number 3. By 3. Okay. And by number 4 we giving in upper half last number of team. Okay. Number 4 number by we giving in upper half last number of team. So by 4. Okay, so how many buys in this picture? 5. So we giving a total 4 buys. In the last buy we giving again in lower half second last number of team. Okay, so second last number team is 10 by 5. Okay, class. So we giving all buys are all in this fixture or in the teams. So first buy we giving in lower half last team 11 is so by 1, and the second by we giving upper half first number of team by 2, and the third number by we giving in lower half first number of team 7 is so by 3, and the fourth number by we giving in upper half last number of team by 4, and the last by we giving in lower half second last number of team by 5. Okay, class. So now we conducting the round first. Okay, so basically जिन teams जो बाई म्यूजिक है वो फर्स्ट राउंड में नहीं खेलती है. ओके, सो नंबर 1, नंबर 6, नंबर 7, नंबर 10 and number 11 is not participating in first round. Okay class? So in our first round, number 2 or 3 will participating in first round. Okay class? So first match conducting in between number 2 and number 3 teams. Then second match conducting to number 4 and number 5. Okay class? And the third match in first round going to number 8 and number 9. This is the way to showing how to conducting the match in fixture. Okay class? Okay, so now okay class. So now entering in round 2. Okay? So in round 2 जो टीम्स बाई मैच के वो टीम राउंड 2 में इंटर करेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टीम विल इंटर इन राउंड 2 नंबर 1 एंड विनर ऑफ दिस ग्रुप्स. ओके, एंड सेकंड मैच इज 4 or 5 winner and number 6 between. Okay, and third match is number 7 and number 8 or 9 who will be winner of first round. Okay, and number 10 and 11 are also in first round we giving a bye, so these two teams are automatically going to second round. In second round between these two teams are participating. Okay class? So in round 2 we completed. Okay, so in first round there is a total number of matches 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and second round total number of matches 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay class. So now entering in round 3rd or also calling a semi-final round. Okay, so first round we calling a pre-quarter, second round is calling quarter final, and third round we calling semi-final, and the last round we calling also final round. Okay, so now we are entering a semi-final. Okay, so in semi-final we conducting this two groups of match, two group of teams. Okay, so who will be winner is not important. Okay, so class, in this group match between in this group. Okay, and now the second team will be entering in semi-final. So this one. Okay class, so now the round 3rd will complete, and the number of matches 8, 9. Okay, so in final round only 2 teams are participating and going, so there are 2 teams are available here, so these teams and this group of teams. Okay, so we conducting final round. So and last match is 10 number. Okay, so total number of matches 10. We also knowing calculation method. And okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and so this is we know how to, who will be winner of this tournament or final round. Okay class. So this is the method, all method to drawing a knockout fixture. Okay class, so this is the odd number fixture draw. Okay, and in even number fixture drawing method, or even if the even number participating team will come, so the same process will be doing, but number of buys are changes. It depend on the number of teams. Okay class, so this is the knockout based picture draw. Okay class, I hope you all understand about this all kind of topics and how to draw a picture in knockout tournament, and how to calculating the all method to knowing how we will come to buy, how will be divided into upper half and lower half, and also knowing how many rounds and how many matches are conducting in this tournament. Okay class? So class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you class.